What's up everybody, Sean here from Air Photography. So today I just want to do a quick demonstration of the new advanced return to home of the DJI Air 3S. It's one of the new features that was introduced and it's actually pretty impressive. Now I did a demonstration of that in my full review, but I want to kind of push it a bit further just to really showcase what it is capable of now when doing a return to home. Now what the Air 3S does is every flight it performs a scan. It kind of builds a real-time map of the environment as it's flying. So that way, in the event of a fail-safe return to home, or if you've manually initiated a return to home, it has a good understanding of the environment, and on top of that, it can do it all now without satellite. So if you've lost connection to satellite, it's no problem. It'll still come back to you safely. And I'm going to demonstrate here. I don't know if you can see on this camera, but I'm under a tree canopy, so there's trees all around me. There's a little bit of an opening that I'm going to fly through. And in the past, what would happen is if I took off from a tree canopy or under a tree canopy, which I quite often do in the summer when it's really hot, I like to stand in the shade. You fly out to an opening and then take off. The problem is during return to home, it only goes by GPS points. So it's going to come back to above the tree canopy where it took off from and try and land. And obviously it can't. You know, it's going to detect the tree there, or it's just going to run into the tree. But now it's going to know that we took off from under a tree canopy because it's built that map, and it's going to come back in a safe way. So I'm just going to demonstrate that for you here. And it's actually pretty impressive how it works. So as you can see, we've got the drone down there. I'm going to be recording on my Action 5 Pro as well, so we can get some different angles. I've also got a screen recording going. So let's go ahead and we'll put the drone up here.
Home point updated.
Now I'm just going to show you. You can see there's trees all above where I took off from, and here, and that's where we're going to fly out to and take off. So now we're going to put it up, and then we're going to go for a flight. Just put the drone a ways away from us. We'll just go out a couple hundred meters and then we'll initiate a return to home. So that should be good. We are 200, we'll go to 300 meters, well, a little over that, 325 meters. So now I'm going to initiate a return to home.
Return to home.
And I'm going to stand back from the pad. You can see that out in front of me there, just so it doesn't pick me up as an obstacle. You can see it's put the virtual line on the screen. That's the path it's going to be taking. And like I said, most drones would come back with no issue. DJI drones are very reliable when it comes to return to home. The problem would be is it would come right above us, above the tree canopy where the home point's set, and then it wouldn't be able to land because there's trees there, or worst case, it would, hit a tree if they were very thin branches. But you can see there, it's picked up that the trees are there, and it's made that kind of S shape around them. As mentioned, no other drone can do this. So it's going to find its way through there. You can see it's right above the pad, or a little bit off. And now it's landing. And there we go. So that is actually pretty incredible. As you can see again, there's trees all above us. It's kind of like a little bit of a tree tunnel that we have going on here. And it was able to come back and land pretty well right on the pad where it took off from. So yeah, that's actually really impressive. There's no other DJI drone currently that can do that can do a return to home and kind of make its way through terrain like this with a lot of trees. Like I said, it would just come right above the home spot and then try and land. But the Air 3S can find a safe route even when you're in a very complex environment like this. So it's actually really impressive, and it's going to make flying drones like this even safer in case of a fail-safe and it has to do a return to home. You don't have to have satellites, and it will be able to traverse through situations like this where there's a lot of obstacles. So yeah, folks, just a quick demonstration of the new advanced return to home on the DJI Air 3S. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.